to go out there and bring more. You felt His love, so go tell others. You've seen miracles, go tell others. Don't be selfish with His love. Spread it, share it. If you're not coming tomorrow, try to come. If you can't, invite a friend, tell them to come. Because what you felt last year, what you felt in youth explosion, that's what they're going to feel tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be for us to celebrate and for them to receive. Ask, experience, live. That's our motto. Ask, experience, and live. You guys asked, you've experienced, and now you're living it. It's up to you for this group to keep on getting bigger. It's up to you to stand up and become the leader that you can be. It's your turn for you to be one day here, talking about how you were here since the beginning when it was just 100 kids. Stand up. Keep living. Keep asking. Keep experiencing His love. Let's not be sad. Terminó. Because it's going to be new. This church will be new. Providence is going to be new. Tomorrow, start asking, God, please, let me open up my heart tonight so I can be prepared to get what I need to get. Empty me. Empty my mind. Empty my soul. I don't want to think with my human mind. I want to think with my spiritual mind. I don't want to see with my human eyes. I want to see with my spiritual eyes. God, I have been here asking and asking and asking. Show me. I haven't been feeling your love. I've lost it. Let me feel you. Hug me. Tell me that everything is going to be new. Let me see you. Close your eyes. And just think a year back. Where were you? A year ago. Where were you? Were you here? party and be with my friends. I bet a lot of you don't even talk to those friends from a year ago. Now think about after the retreat. Think about after youth explosion. Remember that fire you felt in your heart? You were happy and excited. That Sunday, we were all dancing. We didn't want to go home. We were all exhausted. We were smelly. But we were still dancing and screaming. It's amazing what God can do with you. A lot of you guys became pits, and now we're on the pep team. You were probably one of the craziest kids here. And then you were marching in front of 200 kids. That's amazing. One year, when you open your heart to God, what He can do to you. So if you haven't opened your heart to Him, you haven't given your whole
Close to an hour.
mind, body, and soul, do it tonight. Start preparing your minds. Start opening your heart. So you can be part of this revolution. So you can feel His love. So don't forget, tomorrow, it's done with sad and problems, no mas. No more. Tomorrow, put on your party shoes, put on deodorant, put on body spray, because tomorrow you're going to be sweaty from all the dancing and jumping, and rest your voice, because tomorrow we are going to be